Want a better life? Here's the one mindset shift that changed everything for me. Have you ever felt stuck, like your life wasn't going the way that you planned, and wondered if someone or maybe something could come and save you? I've been there, stuck, frustrated, and waiting for things to magically get better. But here's the hard truth that I had to face: no one was going to come save me. If I wanted things to change, I had to take control. That realization completely transformed my life. What if you could rewrite your story starting today? It's not your fault if life has been tough. Most of us aren't taught how to take charge. The fear of failure doesn't have to hold you back. It could be your greatest teacher. Deep down, you've always suspected that you're capable of more, and you're absolutely right. Stop letting external forces control your life. It's time to step into your power. Not too long ago, my life felt like it was falling apart. I was stuck in the hood, struggling to make ends meet, and blaming everyone and everything for my situation. The government, my upbringing, the economy. I had a long list of excuses for why life wasn't working out for me. But none of that helped. One day, I came across a quote by Jim Rohn that hit me like a lightning bolt. If you want things to get better, you have to become better. It was the wake-up call that I needed. For the first time, I realized I couldn't wait for someone to save me. I had to save myself. I started by taking a hard look at my life, not to criticize or blame, but to figure out what I could control. I stopped complaining and began asking myself, what can I do? That small shift made a world of difference. Another Jim Rohn quote that stuck with me is this: you could have more than you got because you can become more than you are. I realized my potential was limitless if I was willing to grow. I began to consciously control the information that I fed myself. Instead of mindlessly scrolling or consuming negativity, I devoured books, podcasts, and lessons from successful people. I reevaluated how I spent my time, ensuring every hour brought me closer to my goals. And failures, I stopped seeing them as setbacks and started seeing them as lessons. Every mistake was building my character and shaping the person that I wanted to become. Then one day, it hit me. I was the main character of my story, and I had the power to turn things around. I could become the superhero of my life, and so can you. Now, here's the 3 secrets I want to share with you. Secret number 1 is to own your story. Your current circumstances don't define you, but your choices do. Stop waiting for external forces to change your life. Instead, ask yourself, what's a small step I can take today to move forward? Owning your story is the first step to rewriting it. All right, secret number 2 is to feed your growth. Be intentional about what you consume. Replace negativity with education, inspiration, and tools that push you to grow. This could be books, podcasts, or even surrounding yourself with people who uplift you. Remember, what you feed your mind shapes your reality. Secret number 3, see failures as building blocks. Every failure holds a lesson. Every lesson is a stepping stone to success. Instead of seeing failures as a reason to quit, see them as opportunities to grow stronger. The most successful people have failed more times than others have even tried. All right, here's an invitation I want to give to you. If you've been waiting for a life to change, this is your sign. It's time to take control. Start small, choose one area of your life to improve on, and commit to it. You're not just living a story, you're writing it, and you have the power to make it extraordinary. Follow our blog, follow our YouTube channel for more tips and strategies to become the hero in your own life. And subscribe to stay inspired as you build the life that you always dreamed of. Your journey starts now. Let's write your success story together. Thank you.